let's unlock the one-handed overhand Matador's wheel. So for the one-handed overhand Matador's wheel, you're actually going to be doing 2 beats on each side. If you remember from the overhand figure 8, you do 1 beat on one side, 1, 1, 1, 1. You're drawing the figure 8, right? Now with the Matador's wheel, it's 2 beats. So you get 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So at first, just get used to having 2 beats on each side. Don't worry too much about your hand movements. Just 1, 2, and then bring it to the other side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. What you will find is the best timing to bring it over is when the rope is coming over from the back to the top. So you go 1, 2, and then when it's coming around the second time, you bring it over from the top, right? So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, like that. Once you get a bit better, pay attention to the movement of your wrist and your positioning for your palm. When you move from the left to right, it's up, but then you're flipping it down, and then you're bringing it over to the other side, right? So up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up. Up, down, down, up. Up, down, down, up. Again, once you get better, make sure your movement is from your spine. And you're twisting your shoulders as well, and letting the hand follow. Lead with the shoulder. The shoulder should come before the hand, and then your hand just follows. Again, pay attention to your leg as well. When you throw it to the left side, when you throw the rope to your left side, your left knee comes up, left, and then right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. All right? For those of you who have mastered the one-handed overhand Matador, how can you make it a bit more intense? You can incorporate lunges into it. So when you swing over to your left side, what you want to do is make sure that it's your left leg forward when you lunge. The key here is with rope flow, you're always doing counter-rotational movement. So you shouldn't be going like this, right? If you go throw it to your left side, but your right foot comes forward, that's the wrong kind of position. It's kind of like how if you're walking, you don't walk with right foot forward, right hand forward, right? That's not natural. When your left foot goes forward, your right hand goes forward. So it's always the opposite. So that's what we call counter rotation. So when I swing to my left, left foot forward. When I swing it back to my right, right foot forward.